And we're in. Big mouth. I think scary. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to day one of the Alpha Futures funded account, Express funded account. I'm starting this account right after like the day I passed. If I'm going to be honest, I kind of took some time after stream yesterday and realized that I've just been in a super good headspace for the last like month and a half, 2 months. Don't fix what ain't broken. I'm just going to come back to the market, treat it like I was just on an eval, right? I'm still on the eval. I'm going to risk like 200 to 250 each trade, which does mean I have 10 losing trades in a row. That's not going to happen. And we're going to kick ass here and we're going to take some payouts with this account. We're also going to stack it up. We're going to get some other evals from Alpha Futures for me personally, and we're going to stack it up. We're going to pass and we're going to copy trade. We're going to dial in. Number one, we're going to check out the news. W. Got my first ever funded today with it. Thank you, Wes. Bro, thanks for using the code, bro. Dude, hell yeah. Good morning, chat. What's up, Shanks? Okay, so that's the news we got today. Existing home sales at 8 o'clock. We're going to be waiting for that so we can take our time today. All right, weekly. What are we looking at? Let's zoom this out a little bit. We're pretty bullish. I like how we react off this fair value gap. And then we had that weekly open candle that was just so weird. Anyway, bullish. Daily. Here's the thing. Nice little inverse fair value gap here. Wicking off of CE on the daily chart. We'll keep that in mind. I want to say neutral for now. 4 hour. See, this is where it pushes my daily bias neutral more bearish. Look at that. 4 hour CE reaction bearish. So 4 hour bearish, daily bearish, weekly bullish, hourly. It's going to be a lot of the same on the hourly. Let's see if we react off this right now. Peace. And down to the 15 minute. And now we draw session liquidity starting at 1800. This is our Asia session low, which is actually swept right here. And then starting at 1 is our London session high. So no Asia session liquidity. There we are. There we are. Let's go to MES. Same thing. Starting at 1 o'clock. London session. London session. Dece. Market open, better bless me. Let's go. SMT higher. Let's take a look now at our yo, you guys are right. We got Asia session low. All right, now we're gonna look at our high time frame SMTs while market is open. We are gonna wait until news, so we do have a lot of time, which is at 8. Let's take a look. 15 minute, right? We do have this bullish SMT with session lows. London session ends up sweeping Asia session before New York even opens. So we like that. We like that. So this is scaled up into the hourly. Not the 4 hour. Yeah, it is hourly SMT as well. Dece. Pre-market bearish SMT if you guys like that. Now we hop down. Yeah, that is pre-market bearish SMT. Oh, today just feels so relaxed, you guys. With just one touch, I can witch you. All right, let's take our time. This is the first little bit of news that we're going to see in a little bit. So regardless for it being orange folder, do you guys think we're going to see a little bit more of a reaction than we would probably normally see for an orange folder? I think so, but I also just could be dead wrong. But I think that's what we do. Well, it's been 23 days since the government shut down. So, oh, boys, this coffee is exactly what I need. Holy, we have 30 people in here. Holy fuck. We are just blasting upward. Let's see what happens with this news. Rune is not in here. No, but he made something, you guys, that we're gonna put out for free here. Like this is like insane. I cannot believe he did this. Okay, like this is insanely blessed that he did this for us. So what he did is he made a 20-page document going over the 9-step strategy. Take a look at this, you guys. This is like course-esque that we're just going to give to you guys for free. Like this is exactly the strategy. It's indexed. Everything is in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spend a Friday with him. So tomorrow, and we're going to go over absolutely everything in here. And I'm just going to add / take out stuff that I don't want in this. But we're just going to attach this into edu files. We have high time frame SMT. What I'm looking at. Okay, let me lock in here. We got 2 minutes till news. Bro, what if news pushes this thing way down lower? Creating and like forcing this bearish SMT. We then make a low time frame SMT. We then have a low time frame imbalance created from the SMT and we enter. Low time frame, high time frame. We might be pushing back to these highs. Let's lock in. Let's get serious here. Let's get real. Let's get real. Are we going to make an imbalance here? If so, we target this imbalance only, no other one that's made. We're going to be super strict. Super strict. London high retest. No trade yet. No trade yet. Yeah, there's a few watches. Like, no way we got ladies in their 80s. Ooh, bar. Brain rotted before GTA 6. CE wick off inverse for value gap. Schmink. What are we targeting over here? 5-minute highs. Yo, that's my stepdad. What? Yo, he kind of looks like John Pork. So these are where my stops need to be. We need a candle close below this line for me to even enter. So let's actually not rush this. Let's go over everything. 15-minute bullish SMT at the lows. 5-minute low time frame bullish SMT over here. Wick off CE. A little bit of a liquidity sweep as well. We get a reaction off CE. Hopefully there was some form of liquidity down here. If there was, it will flip bullish. We might enter here, but we need a blue candle close. Blue candle close. And we're in. All right, decent risk. I'm okay with scaling into this. I'm going to scale one contract until we get to 200. There we go. That's our $200 day. Risking 140. I like our risk. Stops are in a good spot where they need to be. This is a 1.51 risk reward trade. We don't like that. I want to de-risk because of CE there. It's not the reaction we're looking for. We're de-risked to $120 here. We do want a candle close in this fair value gap, please. Or just a wick through. Plain old wick through would be nice. That is true. We do need a close above here. And we get stopped out. That's all right. That's our one trade for today. Let's go. Dude, that's just playing probabilities, boys. That was a good one. I'm fine with taking that one for sure.